guys, welcome to my channel back again. So today we are going to discuss how you can make the most of this quarantine. So most often we want to do so much, but we'd be so busy in our jobs or in our business or in our lives that we don't get time. Like always, we never get time to do things that we really love. So there are ways that you can actually convert your passion, like whatever you love doing, whatever your interests are, you can turn that and make that as a side hustle, which can also give you some extra money, right? Why not? So let's see what exactly these 10 ideas are, how you can make money sitting at home during this lockdown. The first one is blogging. Now, look, blogging, you, me, all of us, we want information, we want content, and where is that we go first? We put into Google, and then through Google it takes us to the blogs which are most read, right? So and there are these bloggers who are making a lot of money sitting home just writing on the subjects and topics that they're really good with or they're interested in. Similarly goes for the second one, which is YouTubing. The subject or the topic that you really like, start making videos about that, share your content, share your knowledge, and put it out there for people to watch. And you can help them with blogging and YouTubing, and you can make your money as well. Now the third one being Instagram. This is the Instagram age. The Instagrammers are everywhere. You can make your Instagram account, put in regular content, good content, add in value, and that's the only way. What people want to see, what people want to know, what people want to learn. And you should have a niche, be it you make your blog, you go ahead, start your YouTube channel or your Instagram account. All of these would need you to pick up a topic. Now I'm going to tell you what kind of topics, like anything that you're interested in. If you love cooking, just make videos on cooking. Maybe write about different recipes that you're really interested in. Anything for that matter, maybe technology, business, okay, and whatever your interests are like. Now the fourth one being, you can start making websites if you're good with coding. And even if you're not good with coding, there are like so many applications and softwares available. These platforms which can help you, the drag and drop options that's available for you to build websites for somebody. All you need to do is just buy the subscription for that product. That's the app builder or the website builder. One which I recall would be Wix.com. Initially, like my early days when I started out and I used to make, and it was actually good when I used Wix. You can use that and you can give your time for people who don't know how to do this and they really need a website to be built. You can use your creative skills and build one for yourself. The fifth one being digital marketing. Well, we all know about these, but it's a reminder for you one more time that if you are good with marketing, any kind of marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing, now most of the entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, people who are freelancers, they need it, right? Businesses need it. So maybe you just learn that skill up and start doing digital marketing. Graphic designing is one of the, again, a common one. People need their products to be designed. People need the logos to be made. People need the posters to be made for their marketing stuff. You can actually spend some time in there and do graphic designing. The next one being online teaching. Now, because we are all going digital and because of COVID-19, we are maintaining social distance. Children are not going to school. And people aren't going to their jobs. The best way to learn would be online digital. No matter even people don't want to do it, now the time has come, they have to do it, right? So online teaching is an excellent skill which will pay you really, really well. So go with online teaching, any subject that you like. Maybe use platforms like Zoom or maybe even Google Hangouts. That's going to work out for you. The next one is writing a book. You can write a book and sell that, and you can make your passive income through that. Then comes building a product. Now, when I talk about building a product, this is basically for entrepreneurs. Now, you keep complaining that, look, Ifat, I know I have this big idea, I get hundreds of ideas, but I don't know which one. So pick one idea which you're really passionate about, and then you choose which product you want to build. Choose your product that you want to build. Make the prototype. It may be a service. It may be, a product, a physical product. Make it physically, and then just launch it, just to test it amongst your family and friends to see what the results are like. Yeah, you can sit and you can do that. What you're doing is just you're preparing yourself. Once this lockdown is over, you can start your business, start a part-time business. Look, the most important thing, guys, is you got to do something that you really, really love. And people tell that passion is not required. Well, that is BS. Okay, sorry to say that, but that's BS. You need passion. I'm going to give you an example. Now, you are in a relationship. You love your family. You love your spouse. You love your children. You want to maintain good health. You want to be a loving member of your family. You need passion. You should be into it. And you should really, really want to be a good parent or a good child or a good spouse. So you need passion. If you don't have passion, you don't have that wanting, the willingness to do it, you will give up. And nobody wants something just for namesake. It would not last. It will not last. So is for your life. You come here, you don't have passion because you feel you just don't have passion for anything. Well, that's a big myth. It's just that you're lazy and you don't want to find what you're good at. It's as simple as that. You got to put time in yourself. You got to find who you are. You need to understand what exactly you're passionate about. Because I have experiences, and I talk from experience, not only for me, but for so many people, like mega successful people, and I can see the passion through them. And people who ever say that, you don't really need passion, well, that's BS. It's bullshit. Sorry to use that. You do need passion for anything, and that's going to take you far. That's going to make you really good in your industry. That's going to take you long, and you will be there. Why? Not just because of money, but because you really want to do it, because your heart and your soul and your mind wants it. You know what I mean, right? So get your passion, find your passion, and then build that into your business. I do a lot of courses on that. Maybe you can connect with me. I will put my my links in the description, so you can connect and let me know. Probably we can take you through one of our programs that can teach you how you can turn your passion into profits. And the last one is to learn a skill. I know skill is not that important as much as your belief system and your mindset and your values are, and you as an individual are. Your character is important, but skill is also important, right? So look, you are a very good human being. You may be an extremely good person. You may be very passionate about something. You may be really hardworking. But you still need a certain skill which you love doing, or maybe you want to learn more about, you're curious about. So learn that skill and grow. We as human beings, we love to grow. The more you grow, the more kick you get. The more kick you get, more you achieve. The more you achieve, you feel fulfilled. When you feel fulfilled, you can do so much for yourself and you can do so much for everybody else. And that's the target, isn't that? Alright, so that's for today. I'm going to see you again. Do let me know what topics you want me to talk about. I'm going to share. I will try my best, and I will make sure for you guys I'm going to come back again. I'm going to share content as much as I can, whatever I've learned and everything I teach my students and my coaches. So take care, stay safe guys, stay home, and God bless. Bye-bye.